So let's look at setup and deploying to the cloud. The architecture I would recommend is the one I tried in practice in work, where you have a browser application, some single web application usually. It goes through a backend of some sort, and then you have your Influxdb running on a virtual machine, which is easy to just do if you just want to test out a time series database for your app. And for securing it, you first have to enable HTTPS, so your backend and the virtual machine can communicate securely. And probably also you would want to use a resource group or a security group if you're using Azure or AWS, so that only the port is open for your backend instances. And then you want to manage maybe your Influx account to have some with more privileges or only access to certain databases. May also want to do some backup, so let me just show you in the documentation where I would go. There's a good guides on all this. So the first guide can be found under the administration and enabling HTTPS. Secondly, you would want to look into some of the security features of the Influxdb by going to managing security, and here you can go up and set up authentication, and you see you have to do some changes to the config file. And then for backing up and restoring, there's also a whole guide on this, so it shouldn't be a problem. So that's what I recommend for deploying, and yeah, where you can go next to learn more about it in the documentation.